friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this new belt bag from MINA BAIE. Alright, so you guys know that I love my belt slash sling bags. I seem to have the majority of that style bag in my collection. It's a style that I just gravitate towards and I wear the most right now. I love that I can pack up one and then put it in a larger backpack or a tote if I need to carry more. The versatility is just what I'm all about as far as these style bags. And you guys know that I love MINA BAIE. All of their bags that I've gotten in the past, their pouches, their backpacks are just really, really high quality. So I definitely had to grab this brand new Row belt bag. I got it in the black on black and it is such a cute style belt bag. It definitely has a little bit more of a sporty vibe in my opinion, just with it being the nylon material and how the straps are stationary here at the top of it. So I love it. I think it is a great everyday belt bag. Today I'm just gonna kind of walk through it with you, show you the bag in detail, and then show you what fits inside. So like I just mentioned, I grabbed the black on black. I believe they had black on gold if I remember correctly. I'm not sure all of the different colorways and what is still left in stock, but this is the one that I went with and I'm really happy that I did. There's no pockets or anything on the front of the bag. As you can see over here, the strap is stationary on the bag. There is a little piece of leather here that really kind of secures it to the side of the bag. On the back of the bag here, you don't have any zipper pockets, but you do have a nice large pocket that has a strong magnetic closure. Perfect to throw your wallet or cell phone, something that you need to access quickly. The zippers on this bag, just like all the other MINA BAIE bags, are nice and smooth. When you open it up, this here is what it looks like. You have one nice zipper pocket back there in the back, and then you also have two slip pockets here in the front, which you'll be able to see in more detail when I set the camera down. Quick little up close of the buckle of this bag. It is nice and smooth. It's almost like a weird, like smooth rubberized material. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really, really nice quality buckle. You could easily adjust this strap to make it longer or shorter. All right, throwing the bag on quick here so that you can see what it looks like on the body. This is pretty much the only way that you can wear this bag. You can of course wear it around your waist if you want to wear it more as like a traditional fanny type pack. I usually wear all of mine right about here. I feel like it is a nice size. I am 5 foot nothing for size reference as far as my height goes. I feel like it's really, really comfortable on the body, and I think it's gonna be perfect for just kind of everyday use. All right, let's go ahead and set the camera down and see what fits inside. All right, wait till you guys see how well this bag here packs up. On the back, I actually don't have anything inside this magnetic closure, but I love, oh, actually, wait, I do. I lied. I have receipts and I have gum and I probably had candy in there as well. So as you can see, it's kind of like a catch-all pocket. You can put a cell phone in there, but I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So it's like the bigger one, and I can't use the magnetic closure, obviously, with the phone in there, so just something to note. But you can easily use this back pocket to kind of slip your cell phone in, especially if you have this against your body. It won't like fall out or anything like that. So I will sometimes pop my phone in there, but usually it's just kind of like a catch-all like top type pocket. But look how big it opens up, and that's with like a couple of things inside this big part. But the magnetic closure, like I mentioned, is super, super strong on all of MINA BAIE's bags. Moving along to the inside of the bag here, the zippers are nice and smooth, easy to get in and out of. It opens up nice and wide here at the top, and this is how I have it organized. It's awesome. I can get everything that I need out of here really easily. Right here on the front of the bag, you have 2 pockets. And then you also have a nice big zipper pocket back here in the back of the bag, which I actually don't have anything in at the moment. But we'll go ahead and start pulling everything else out of the middle of the bag. Tucked over here in the corner, I just have my earbuds. These are made by the company Studio. And I've been carrying them around with me lately. Sometimes I have them, sometimes I don't, but I'm addicted to my audiobooks right now. I will read like a hard copy book, and then I'll also listen to it, like if I'm in the car or if I'm going for a walk or something like that. So anyways, I've been having my earbuds with me a lot lately. Then I also have, actually I'll take this main part out so you can see the bag better. Tucked right in the middle here is the small pouch of the MINA BAIE pouch trio. This is obviously in the black nylon with the black on black hardware, matches the bag perfectly. I will say though that I have the poppy color of the pouches, and that looks really fun inside here. So any of like the poppy or the green color, I forget what that one's called, that would look so fun inside the bag. But inside here, I actually just have all of my like small type things. I could easily, obviously, have just kind of popped them down in here, but I find it easier to kind of get what I'm looking for quickly. If I stick them in like a little pouch, then I can just pull the pouch out, get what I need, and then I know right where it is. So I just have some Advil in there. There's really only a few things, a couple of hair ties. I had some bobby pins earlier, I took them out, but chapstick, and then I have 2 lip glosses down here and some eye drops. So lots fit inside here, and I still have room. I could have easily put a couple of other things in here. This is one of those Tarte lip glosses. I forget what they're called, like Juicy Lips or something like that. And it fits perfectly down here. So just for size reference, if you have something like that, it kind of lays down at the bottom. So that's what I have inside this little pouch here. And then next to the pouch inside the bag, I have my keys attached to the key leash on the inside. I just have my keys and house keys. I don't have any keychains or anything. I took those off just because they weren't really needed being attached in here. So now you can see what the bag looks like when it's all opened up, and that pocket there on the back of the zipper pocket is actually really big. Like I mentioned, I don't have anything in it at the moment, but I could have easily put like a granola bar or a snack or something else that I needed. Turning the bag around, I love the size of these 2 pockets here on the back because they hold my Touchland hand sanitizer, my hand cream, and the small MINA BAIE wallet perfectly. They're right here, kept away from like the main part of the bag, so it's easier to grab that little pouch out, and I just love it. I think it's awesome. So I have a hand cream that I've been loving. I know we've been on the hunt together here for like a nice hand cream, and I really, really like this one, especially this white jasmine scent. I got like a pack of, oh gosh, I don't know how many was in there, maybe like 5 or 6 from Ulta. And this is the only one I've tried so far. I've smelled all of them. They all smell really good, but this is like it's just like such a clean scent. So I love that one. My Touchland hand sanitizer, I actually just switched this one out for the peach scent, which is really yummy. So I have that in there. And then of course, tucked over here in this pocket is the small MINA BAIE wallet that I love so much. You guys know I love this one, and I love the regular size wallets from MINA BAIE a lot, and I pretty much use these and a couple of others, but I go back to these wallets a lot, and it fits perfectly down in there. I like that I could have the zipper kind of sticking up if I want to put change or cash or something in there. I don't have to take the whole wallet out. I can just kind of reach in there, grab what I need, and then I still have all of my cards. So it is a perfect fit in this row bag for sure, and I've been using it in a ton of my smaller, like sling type bags. All right, so now that we are all emptied out, I will give you one last look of what the bag looks like so that you can see it without anything inside. The camera will focus a little bit better there for me. There we go. There's that pocket on the back, and then of course you have the little key leash over here, and then the pockets in the front. So much room in this one. I think it's awesome. Really been liking it. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in this new belt bag from MINA BAIE. I hope I explained it well and kind of gave you a good idea as to the details of this bag and what fits inside. I will have my affiliate link with MINA BAIE linked down below, and links to anything else that I packed inside of this bag that I can link. I so appreciate it anytime you guys think of me when shopping any of the brands that I share and use my affiliate links. It really helps support my channel. So if you have any questions, comments, want to chat bags, feel free to leave them down below or shoot me a message. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.